Alright, so, well, we made a new challenge for everybody. Called the Thunderstorm Challenge. You run out.
Hey, let's just hope this nigga don't get struck by lightning.
Yeah, be true. We run out in the middle of the street, we run back and forth. Oh shit. While it's raining, while it's thunderstorming too. And yeah, that's about it. Alright. You can run like a crackhead too.
Look at this nigga go. Oh damn, you can't see him, this nigga blur. This nigga blurred. You blurred out, nigga. Hell no. There you go. There you go. There you go. Hey, don't take me down with that.
I remember, you gotta be barefoot ass naked. Look at this. How you say you wanna do it too?
Shit, I'm about to run now. I'm about to run.
Hey, dancing in the middle of the street and shit. Shut up, you're on YouTube, nigga. Barefoot ass naked though.